What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chill, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. On this channel, man, we post style, streetwear, and fashion content with gym content on the side. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we got a mixture of both. I got a clothing review of a gym brand or a pump cover from a gym brand, from the brand called DARC SPORT. If y'all don't know what DARC SPORT is a lifting club slash brand that is on Instagram. It's very popular, you know what I'm saying? Their link and all that will be in the description below. Y'all should go check them out. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a pump cover review from them. With saying that, man, make sure you leave a like in this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel because we're trying to get to 5K as fast as possible. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That'll be in the corner and in the link tree. And like I said, their link to everything will be in the description below as well. So y'all should go check them out. With saying that though, let's get right into the video. Alright, y'all, so I got the shirt in hand, but I'm actually just gonna pop a picture up from when I ordered it right there, and we're gonna get into it, man. I'll show you how the shirt actually looks on me after this. Just for reference, before we get started, I am 5'6". I am 170 to 180 pounds, in between there somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. Right now, I haven't weighed myself in a while, but I know I'm not under or over any of those numbers. So yeah, just for reference, I did get the shirt in a size large. It is an oversized fit. But if you want to go make it double oversized, you know, go up a size. If you just want a normal size, you know I wear a large usually. When it already says oversized fit, I get a large and it fits me perfectly, so I got a large. So yeah, so as you can see, this is from the Born in Darkness Batman collab that DARC SPORT had recently. And you know I had to cop me a heater from, so I'm pretty sure the picture I saved that y'all see on the screen is the back of the shirt. It has their DARC SPORT Wolves logo with like a yellow lightning outline with bats flying away. Like I said, it's the Batman collab. And on the front, it does have the Batman logo right here. I think this is Batman underneath, or it might just have the logo. Then on this side, it does have their DARC SPORT logo and their little quote, and this is Born in Darkness. You know, DARC SPORT Lifting Club, NFGU, that stands for never effing give up. I don't want to get demonetized, so I'm not gonna say no cuss words, but yeah. So the design is very crispy, very boxy fit, like I like for an oversized tee. It has a very tight like neck. It's not a loose neck that if you wash it, it'll get loose, none of that, so I really like that. Ran me for 40 bucks, as you can see on the screen. I'm pretty sure this shirt is definitely sold out. These things sold out in the first 3 minutes, you know, so this was the only shirt that I could get out of the 3 that I wanted. So yeah. Shipping, I don't know if I said shipping already, but I did order this before spring break. But I went home to North Carolina for spring break and I sent it up to my school in Virginia, so I didn't get to do a review on it until now. So that's why I'm doing a review on it now. But yeah, took less than a week. I can't give you the exact amount of days, but it did take less than a week. So if y'all ever want to order from them, just know that shipping is A1. No special packaging, none of that. But yeah, I'm not gonna make this video too long because it's not too much to say. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on me in the next clip, and I'll get back to y'all. So yeah, let's get into the B-roll. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video, man. Real quick disclaimer, all 3 of these videos that I made recently in the past week that y'all probably seen or that you're watching, if this is the first one you're watching, then you'll understand when I post the next one. But if you're watching the ones that I posted after the first review I did in the past week, then you'll understand as well. But what I'm trying to say is, I'm using this same intro, not said intro, the same outro for 3 different videos because I'm doing a review with all 3 of the shirts at the same time on the same day, and I didn't feel like making 3 separate outros. It makes no sense. So just let y'all know that, so if y'all see the same outro for 3 different videos, y'all know why. So starting off with the Chris Bumstead shirt that I did, the Chris Bumstead and the DARC SPORT shirt, actually they are a size large. Like I said, that's how it looks on me. It fits very oversized, it fits perfectly. So like I said, if you're in between, you know, 170 and 180, it will look good on you. And I'm not gonna lie, even if you're taller than me, I'm only 5'6". I'm gonna be real, as long as you're not over 6 foot, a large, if you're not over 6 foot and you weigh in between 170 and 180, a large will fit y'all great, fit y'all perfectly. Now if you're pushing, you know, 6'3", 6'4", you might want to get an extra large just because the length at the bottom. The sleeves though, even if you're taller but you're the same weight as me, it should fit good. So yeah, just letting y'all know that, you know, just to give y'all a reference, you know what I'm saying? And then for the mentality shirt, as you can see, very good fitting shirt. It's not too tight, but it's not as big as I liked. If I would have knew that's how it would fit, I would probably got a double XL. I mean, not double XL, XL, just for me, because I like it. Like I said, I want it to be all the way down here over my arm and stuff, because it's a pump cover. You take it off after you get your pump. So yeah, Shirts overall fire though. Like I wouldn't trade it in, none of that. You know, I just know for next time I will get an extra large. But I'm still rock this shirt. It still fits very good. Like I said, 5'6". I'm between 170 and 180. That's a large as well. So yeah, if y'all want, that's the reference. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, just let me know. Like I said, this is the same outro for 3 different videos. So if you're watching this one and haven't seen the other 2, go check those out. They're 3 different clothing reviews, so y'all shouldn't be able to miss it. So yeah, with saying that, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That will be in the description below and in the corner of the screen. And the link to the brand that I just did a review on will be in the description below as well. So go check them out. Let's get the 5K, and I will catch y'all in the next one.